In this video, we will see how to create a batch process. So to create a batch process, first we need to create a type code in batch process type.tti. Let me go batch process.tti. So TTI is the guideware created one. So for this, we already have TTX. If not right, we need to create one extension. And what I will do usually whenever I am going to create right, I'll copy and paste the end of the type code and I will change it. So let me go here, type code, copy, something got changed. Yeah, copy, paste it. Okay, I'm going to create a policy change. Sorry guys, I'm going to create a batch process where this batch process is going to create an automated policy change. So I'm going to create a policy change in the batch process. Accordingly, I'm going to change the code name, everything. So this is the last one. I'll add policy change creation. Make sure we are adding extension. Okay, this is the code. We can mention name policy change creation, and then here in last video we saw script parameter. In that script parameter we are going to provide a policy number, whatever policy number which we are going to provide over there, right? For that policy number we are going to create a policy change through this batch. So we are going to mention the description over here. Create an automated policy change for the policy which is mentioned in the script parameter. Okay, and then we will add categories. These categories, whether it's a UI runnable or schedulable, we do have both already, so we no need to worry. So UI runnable is nothing but we can go all shifty and run the batch. Schedulable is nothing but we will add this batch process in the scheduler config.xml. So scheduler config.xml, here we will add how it is there, right, in the same way. So if we see hours and minutes, 30 hours, every 6 hours, every 1 hour, so like this, we can go with day of month, any day, anything, or else. So sorry, this is nothing but every, yeah, hours is nothing but 2 hours, 3 hours, day of month, every month, second day, every month, day one. We will add later in scheduler, but this is how we will add over here. And let me go back. So create a script, creating a batch process. For this, we need to have a class. What I will do, I will go here. I'll just take copy refactor, copy automated policy change. Yes, done. Once it creates, first thing we need to change in the constructor tc underscore automated policy change creation. There is no automated. And then we need to do work. We need to override do work. We will add our logic over here in the next video. As of now, we will see how to create this batch process. Once it is done, copy the class name, go to process plugin. Here we need to add a case statement. Case, same like batch process type dot policy change creation. Okay, here we will return our class. Yes, done. This is how we will do. It should be a new object. Yes, there is no error now. Automated policy change. Here we will override our logic in the next video. This is the way of creation a batch process. Create a type code in the batch process type. Create one class. that should extend batch process base, and it should construct with our newly created type code. Once it is done, go to process plugin and add your case statement. Okay. And in the next video, we will see the logic in the automated policy change and scheduler config XML. Okay. Yeah. Thank you guys.